don't. I know it's hard, but it has to be done.
It's been 2 days. How can you stand there and do nothing? He doesn't deserve this. I'm taking him out of
A
there.
carrier reaching the last threshold is a very rare event. A critical one. Of course, from now on, we need to isolate him. The Order has special buildings.
You want to lock him away?
Do you know what your brother is capable of? He will do much worse.
Hey! He's a child! This is not his fault! And the more you hurt him, the more rats are out there and the more people die!
This is why we need to take him away. His power will grow stronger as his days draw shorter.
Magister, please.
What do you mean?
Amicia, Hugo is condemned.
The last threshold means the death of the carrier.
No. There must be a way. Lucas
Your
managed...
friend bought you time when your brother reached the first threshold, but this is something else. There is no stopping it. No elixir, no potion.
Wait. There's an island. He keeps talking about an island. Maybe the macula is behind it.
It is a child fantasy.
So what's a child's fantasy doing on the wall of your laboratory? Yes. What's out there?
Poor girl. You're running away from reality. You must accept your brother's fate and your own. And the fate of a protector is to do as the Order commands.
I don't give a damn about your order! I don't know you, I don't work for you! Let me see him!
Hugo is tired, Amicia. You can't enter his room in your state.
Let me pass!
Not until you've calmed down. You said it yourself. The macula feeds on his emotion.
Ah!
We are going to the Order's quarters in Marseille as soon as possible. I've got a boat and a man, Joseph, waiting at the harbor. He needs to be warned. As for me, I'm going to rest. Let me know when you're ready to go.
Lucas, please go to the harbor and find this Joseph.
Yes, Magistra. Amicia. You should come.
Be careful. Both of you.
Are you... all right?
No. Did you know about Hugo?
I wanted to tell you, but...
You should have. We're talking about my brother, Lucas.
I didn't know Magister Vaudin would tell you like this.
Lord, I can't. Let's just keep going.
Fine.
Hear ye! A curfew has been ordered by the Count of Arm. All townsfolk stay in your homes!
A patrol.
What's going on? The city's under lockdown. Anyone caught in the street will be arrested.
There we are. They're locking down the whole city.
Remember the locked district?
They wouldn't dare purge a whole city, would they?
I don't know.
We need that boat quickly.
There is no need to panic. The army of Provence has the situation under control.
Yes. Now tell them what your control means.
Look, that watchtower at the back. It leads to the harbor.
Get ready, men. We'll move our load to the docks soon.
The docks. That's where we're going, isn't it?
Those cages on their guard. I think they're bodies from the arena.
So this is where they take them.
Amicia, when we're there, you'll hold your sling, all right? We don't need another bomb situation. So, no more killing soldiers.
Don't worry. I heard you the first time. I'll find other ways.
We're here.
Right.
asked me to ask Magister Vaudin about the island. The fresco in his lodge.
What did he say?
He said it's just a symbol.
A two-peak symbol, just as in Hugo's dream.
I know. The island. The macula waking up. The order. It's too much.
Glad to hear you say it. It helps me not to feel alone in this.
You're not. I'm here. I'm sorry, Amicia. For Hugo.
He's not dead yet.
All right. Remember, no more killing soldiers. No more killing us.
I got it. No kills, no being spotted. Let's get this boat. We're here. So where's our boat?
Red and white sail. Right there.
It's still there. Good.
I hope our pilot is too.
Good point. Oh, it looks so fine. I'll take it. For Hugo.
A gentian, I think. I'm sure he'll love it.
I'd like to offer him so much more.
He loves anything that comes from you.
I'm not sure he'd agree.
Come on! You should be at the gate already.
Here they are. Keep moving. Quiet.
Get off my back. We can't afford to break these jars.
The city's running out of time.
The city needs these jars intact, so settle down.
Enough arguing, soldiers. Move! Move!
What are they doing? Getting in more trouble, I'd say.
We should just leave this place.
I heard it left nothing but mass graves when it happened in REQUIEM.
Yes. And soon you will take your place in one.
This lockdown is gonna get them all killed.
Yes. It's going to be terrible. A real rat's carnival.
All right, open the gate. Position.
You, Greenhorns, you got your orders.
Watch over the jars until we reach the other side.
Our lives depend on it. Now stop praying and let's go.
Look at that wall.
Yes. They built it in a hurry. And it's blocking our path to the boat.
Let's get closer.
Good luck, lads.
Let's see that gate. Soldiers, helmeted. We'll have to sneak around.
Hopefully there's a side way to pass that gate.
What do you think is behind it?
We'll know way too soon.
You believe they'll make it this time?
I believe nothing. I just know bodies keep coming from the city, and we had too many of our own.
I should have gone to see my mother when I could.
Pray. It's all we have left.
And that's not much.
I think I heard something. Must have been nothing.
What the hell?
Strange.
Don't go any further, Amicia.
Oh, Lord! Stay back!
This is impossible.
There are so many! How are we going to cross that? That liquid on the ground, it's from their jars.
It smells like tar. If it is, it's highly flammable. Try setting it on fire.
Yes, yes, let's try.
I didn't expect that. Neither did they.
Careful with those flames.
That brazier, it can be pushed.
Yes. This is all wrong.
Let's hope Marseille is different.
Wait until the rats invade it.
Amicia, the Order will have special buildings in Marseille. Equipment and people.
People like Vaudin? How do you think this will end? It won't go further. Staying here is dying anyway.
Joseph's boat.
We're getting closer. More of them.
That building on the left looks safer. The rats destroyed the rest of the pontoon.
Let's hope we'll be able to pass. Let's try through here.
Oh, what a mess.
Whoa, that smell.
Tar. Makes your head spin.
I don't hear any rats.
No. But they were here. Look at this.
Lord, what is all this?
A tar workshop. They must use it to seal boat hulls. These mechanisms are still intact.
It smells different here.
Resin. This is a mixing pool. That barrel up there must be the diluent.
We should move on. Oh no!
Stay back!
They're following us!
Don't panic! We have resin. It just needs that diluent up there, and we get tar.
A pool of tar. That could be our way to that door in the back.
That barrel is pretty high, though.
We could find a way to reach it.
Let's see. These ropes make the platform move. Operators climbed on it with that ladder, behind the grating.
We must get over there.
Well spotted.
So we're making tar now.
I know, but it shouldn't take us long.
Well, let's get to it.
Good. Shall I handle the reservoir part? What do you think?
Yes, go up that ladder. I'll move the platform closer.
On my way.
I'll go again.
Yes! Turn it all the way!
Leave it to me.
Good! Hold it until I tell you.
All right.
I'm ready!
I'm letting go. Hang on.
Whoa! Come back to the basins!
Coming.
The diluent. I see. It's alcohol, of course.
Are we ready?
Yes. Let's make that tar. Pouring.
Do you know the quantities?
No.
I'm improvising.
Please, don't kill us.
Good. I think you can light it up.
All right.
Let's see what our tar's worth.
It's working!
Yes! Well, that's one step.
What now? I'm stuck.
Wait. I think they experimented with some ingredients here and... Yes, that could work. I'll throw them to you.
Those beasts are really close!
Here. Say when you're ready to catch.
Go!
You've got resin and alcohol now. Mix them.
Done!
Perfect. Now throw a pot of
Here
tar
we go.
between those two big basins.
Please work.
Let's see what our tar's worth.
Perfect!
Yes! That last pool there is already full of tar.
Coming! You saved my skin.
The tar did. This stuff works miracles.
Anyway, thank you.
No need for that.
Please have something useful.
Our boat should be straight ahead, right?
Don't be too sure about that.
Listen, Amicia. About Hugo. I was stuck between Magister Vaudin and your mother, and I have no excuse. I was wrong.
It's just... I wasn't prepared. I can't lose him. I can't.
We'll do what's right.
We will.
Look, over there. Joseph's ship. We're quite close.
Yes, let's go. Oh, they're here. It's infested down there.
Wait, look. There's resin down there. And a barrel of diluent over there. They were making more tar here.
Let's use it to open a way to our boat then.
Yes. Back to making tar.
What a day. All right, let's see what you do.
It controls the footbridge.
We need that thing here.
Hey, who are you?
We're just crossing!
Damn, I didn't expect that. Wait a moment.
He seems reasonable.
He's scared.
Good for us then.
Here's your diluent.
Thank you.
He doesn't seem to know about our escape.
Or he just hasn't figured it out yet. And here we go again.
They don't like fire, right?
Yes.
Good. So how are you gonna light that up?
We have ways.
I don't see any torches around.
Just wait. All right. That's something.
Hey, what's that flaming thing you threw in there?
That's,
It's homemade. Basic alchemy.
Alchemy. We don't much like all that around here.
too bad, because it's gonna save your skin. Soldiers.
Good. Now there are 2 other basins ahead.
Let's get to it then.
Amicia, you should get on that footbridge to manage the diluent. I'll handle the crank to get it moving.
All right. I'll tell you when I need you. Lucas, that's up to you.
Fine.
So where are you going anyway?
We're fleeing this place.
You two do know we're in the middle of a lockdown.
Yes, and people are dying anyway, so we're taking our chance.
I see. Hey! Passing over the basin! Slow down! You went too far. Go back a bit.
You can let go.
Agreed.
Great! It's in position.
Go! Time to light this one too.
Leave it to me. There you go. There's still a boat blocking the way.
This one's yours to lift.
Lucas, that's a job for you.
Straight away.
Good teamwork. You're surprisingly efficient for civilians.
We've had to rely on ourselves a lot.
We're almost there.
All right, let go.
Immediately.
And done.
Light it up, Amicia.
Lucas, you can come. The way's clear.
All right. Amicia, I'm blocked.
No, the light doesn't reach far enough.
There should be a way.
Yes. Just throw tar directly into the fire. It will boost the flames for a while.
That's... Well, yes, that will work.
All right, let's try. Ah, my eyes!
My eyes!
Go now! That tar won't burn for long.
It worked perfectly. Thank you.
That was actually pretty smart.
We may not know alchemy, but we've dealt with our fair share of tar, all right?
We saw the jars. What are you doing with it?
That's confidential.
Ah, right.
You're almost there.
I've made it!
Great.
I'll be damned. You did. Hey, can you use your thing again? I'm stuck here.
I'll try. Yes.
Time to meet him face to face.
We'll be careful. Who knows what he'd have done if we'd met in the city?
Follow orders.
Yes, no matter what they were.
That was good work.
We did it.
I'm lucky you decided to break the law tonight.
We should go now, no?
Yes, we're in a hurry.
Sure. I'll escort you back home.
Actually, we must keep going that way.
Impossible. You're going back home.
Oh, come on.
Let us go. We did our part.
The law is the law.
Let us pass, or you'll regret it.
You're threatening a soldier of the army of Provence?
I am. This is too important.
Wait. In the outskirts, our men got attacked by a girl and a boy. You escaped.
Amicia, you could blind him with the tar.
Come on, the boat is right there.
Yes. These people.
I'm done trusting any of them.
Yes.
Let's see what can be done. This should make things a bit easier. Let's see that boat.
It's a public health matter. You should have left when you still could, Joseph.
I am waiting for a client and I always honor my contracts, my friend.
Consider your contract cancelled then. The harbor's locked down and you're trespassing.
He's our man.
Yes, and trouble's coming. We need to move.
All right, you know what? I have better places to be.
No, you've seen too much. I'm arresting you.
Oh, come on. You know what? Piss off!
Joseph, wait!
Stay where you are!
We're here on behalf of Magister Vaudin. We need to leave town.
What do you think I'm doing? This place is a mess!
Please! We're stuck here! There's a child with us!
All right. Meet me at the next pontoon!
Who are you? Where's the captain?
Shit!
Intruder!
Move, now!
Yes, come on.
That was close.
Yes.
You heard that? You came from the pontoon. Come with me.
Soldiers!
To cover.
What was that? Joseph broke a jar of tar. It reacted with the torch.
That's a quick way to do it. Lucas, it's getting too dangerous. We'll get killed or miss that boat. I need to use my sling again.
Yes. Do what you must. We need that boat at all costs.
Good. Let's go. We're out. Damn it!
Look at that fire in the middle.
Yes, it's huge.
I smell tar. So this is what they've been doing with it.
Someone's getting dark, it seems.
It's not wood burning, it's bodies.
This is where they all end up.
We're out of tar and bodies keep coming.
Well, it means our cleaners are making progress.
This is not cleaning.
Most of these people weren't even sick.
The beast is emptying the city. It's a massacre.
What's making that noise?
What the hell was that thing?
We have trespassers. Keep your
Getting
eyes
paranoid now.
There's intruders in the area. Stop searching. We got company. Find them.
Someone's lurking about.
I
We
won't
got
try to
company.
cross.
You gave yourself up. You
They must be behind that.
with me now. We've got.
That's why they locked the city down.
Yes. Trap people inside and get rid of them.
I'll go.
Intruders here! With me!
Move fast.
Come with
Catch
me.
the intruders. You. They did that. No doubt. All right, get up. Fine. I know where you are now.
Here you are. We have to hide.
I got them! Get over here! I'm coming! Can you hear me? I'll find a way!
Let's do this quickly. Much better. He's there.
Damn! I thought you'd never make it. Come.
Thanks for not letting us down.
And for the helping hand.
Well, you did your part. Now, where is the rest of the group?
In town, getting ready to leave. I need... Hugo. What have they done? I'll go get them. You come get us on the docks by the house.
Be careful.
What's going on?
What do you think it was?
I don't know, but it woke me up.
There, the house.
A bad omen, I tell ya.
Curfew is still in effect. Go back to your homes.
What's going on? Tell us the truth.
Enough lies.
No, run! All of you! No, no! Come on! Hugo, what's going on? What did they do to you? No! Oh Lord, I told them this would happen. I'm sure it's that goddamn Vaudin. There! The house! I can do it! What? No! No! Come on! Please stop this! Please, Hugo, stop this! I'm coming to you!
Get up. We must go.
Don't stay there, lady, they're coming! Come on! Move faster! The house is still standing. Go! Go! Faster! Faster! What?
What happened?
We should get out before everything collapses. Yes, Lucas must be waiting at the docks. Let's go. Amicia, I should carry him. I'll do it. The city is gone. All of it. We have to leave. This is unprecedented.
What's going on? I feel dizzy.
Nothing. Go back to sleep. These people. It's too late. Keep going.
Who is that?
Try to sleep, Hugo. Do that for me.
Please.
Don't look. Keep your eyes closed.
Amicia, what happened?
It's the rats. They attacked.
No. No.
We're leaving, Hugo. I'm sorry.
It's like my nightmare. It's because of me.
Calm down, please.
No. It's my fault.
No. Dreams are dreams, all right? I'll give you something on the boat. It will calm you down.
No. I wanted to stop for real.
I'm sorry.
I wanted to stop Amicia.
It will. In Marseille, they'll help you.
It's not true. You keep saying that. But you're lying. Lying.
Hugo, please calm down. You have the right to be sad and angry. But I won't let you down. You know it.
We'll find a way. We will.
Are you all right? I thought you were...
We're all unharmed, Lucas.
Come aboard, quick!
It's only us. Magister Vaudin.
I see. Let's not waste time then.